Did you ever feel so bad inside?
Welcome to your heart and now. Welcome to your heart and now.
So bad inside.
Paano nga ba i-check yung starter ng ating motor kung negative or positive trigger? Ayan. Malalaman natin yan guys gamit yung test light. Ayan, test light guys. Yung syringe. Tapos gagamit tayo ng Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Ayan. Pwede din yung isang single wire lang guys. Ayan, isang mahabang wire para abot yung sa battery. Ayan. Bago yan guys, tatanggalin muna natin tong cover na to. Ayan guys, gagamit tayo ng Phillips screwdriver. Ayan, tatanggalin natin yung mga screw nya. Ayan guys, let's go. Nabuksan na natin. Yung gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung wire galing sa may starter relay, yung blue white na wire. Ito na guys yung blue white na wire. Ayan, dyan natin test kung positive trigger ba yung ating starter or negative trigger. Ayan, dito tayo magche-check. Ang gagamitin natin is yung test light. Ayan, test light. Tutusok natin yung test light dito sa may blue white na socket, yung sa wire nya. Ayan guys, nahugot kasi. Ito yung dulo nito guys is try natin muna sa negative ng battery. Ayan guys, ito yung dulo ng test light sa negative ng battery. Ayan, naka-on yung susian. Ayan, naka-on yung susian guys. Tapos, check natin sa may negative ng battery. Ito yung negative guys. Ito yung positive. Try natin sa negative. Pag umandar yung motor natin, ibig sabihin is negative trigger yung ating starter. Ayan, try natin guys ha. Wala. Hindi siya nag-start guys. Ayan, wala. Ayan, try natin naman sa positive ng battery. Ayan guys, try natin ha. Ayan, umandar yung motor natin guys. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, patayin ko muna. Ayun, ibig sabihin guys is yung starter natin is positive trigger. Ayan. Diyan nyo lang guys itutusok yung tester. O saka okay, wire. Pwede din yung single wire yung gagamitin nyo kung wala kayong test light. Ayan. Kung wala kayong test light guys, yung single wire lang yung gagamitin nyo para malaman nyo kung positive or negative trigger yung starter nyo. Ayan. Yung blue, white kasi dito yun nanggaling sa may starter relay ng ating motor. Ayan guys, yun lang guys. Ganun lang yung mag-check kung positive or negative trigger yung starter ng inyong motor. Ayan. Ayan. Try natin ulit guys. On natin yung susian. Ayan, naka-on na. Tapos sa positive ng battery. Ayan. Umaandar. Okay na guys, patayin natin. Kaya ganyan yung mag-check ng kung positive or negative trigger yung inyong starter. Ayan guys, blue white na wire lang, dyan lang kayo mag-test. Ayan guys, thanks for watching, stay safe and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. This is Pure Pods signing out.
Thanks for